Well, this video is going to be a little different to the usual ones. It's not a fishing video. When I did the review on the Stacer Outlaw, I got a question back asking how I clean it, in particular the carpet and that inside, and I explained how I gurney it out. Anyway, today it's that time of the year to clean this one out, so I'm going to strip everything out of the boat now and then move it down onto the driveway where it's on an angle, make sure the bung's out, and then hit it with the gurney. So come on the journey with me. Well, the first thing is to get in here and get all the tackle stuff out, because we've got to get everything out of the boat before we hit it with the gurney. So there's a bit of stuff in here. This is where all the life jackets are. Don't want to drown them. This is pretty much empty at the moment, but it's just a wetter container. There's a couple of squidgies that have gone walkabout. If we have a look in the live well here, no, that's fine. Just need to make sure the plug's out. Okay, so we'll keep going and just empty the rest of the boat out. Right, the car's now on the driveway, right at the bottom, so that the water will drain out really well. So time to get up into the boat and start and hose it all out. You can see the dirt all coming out of the carpet now. Done the top deck now. Lots of brown dirt going down here, most probably all sand. Definitely moving a lot of sand. finished, just ready to dry off now. Lots of sand came out. You could see it all on the surface as the water pushed it down. So I'll just leave it here to dry for a while, and then we'll go and load it all up again. Okay. Well, all done and dusted. Looks really good. The job I'm happy with. All ready to mess up again on the next fishing trip. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.